Hello my sweet friends and welcome to Coffee with Nadia. Today I'm doing an unboxing and a review of this Ferrisland terrarium, and I'm also going to set it up and show you how I did that. Let's get started. This is going to be a fun one, so grab your cup of coffee and let's get into it. It came packaged in this foam. I'm shaking it so I don't hear anything, you know, like if it was broken or anything like that. So let me get it out. Okay, so this is how it came. It looks intact, and I bet you it is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. All right, so this is what it looks like, and it basically looks like a little greenhouse, but here it comes with this little handle so you can open and put whatever you want in there, and then if you want to completely close, you just put that down and close it. But isn't this absolutely adorable? So give me just a second. I do want to clean it before I put little goodies in there. All right, my terrarium is nice and clean. I also wanted to show you a feature if you're going to put any live plants in here. This little arm right here, you just put it straight on this bar, and you could keep it open, and you know, there's air going through and circulating, so that is really cool. Now, a few things about this. I'm going to put all the information for the company in the description box below. Ferrisland did send me this one, and this one is $38.99. It's called Ferrisland House Glass Terrarium. The dimensions for this one is 9.1 inches by 7.3 in height, and width is 5.4 inches. Plants are, of course, you know, it comes just like this. Nothing's included like in the pictures that they have. It weighs 3.2 pounds. It's very light, and the really cool part about it is if you decide to use it as a decor piece, you could change it out throughout the whole year. Now, this year for Christmas, I'm doing Winter Wonderland. So I'm going to start by putting snow at the bottom of my terrarium. You could definitely put, you know, some sort of snow or some sort of, you know, Dollar Tree has different things. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use this Dollar Tree scarf, and I'm just going to place it at the bottom of the terrarium. And just when you're putting these in, make sure you fill in the corners as you're doing this. And doesn't it look beautiful? You can't even tell that that's a scarf. But the nice thing about it is I'm not going to have any of those flakes and stuff. Like, you know how usually that snow, the foam snow is, it gets everywhere. It really does. So next I'm going to bring in some of these Christmas trees, and these are from the Dollar Tree. They usually come in a pack of this size and then this little baby size. So I'm going to put just different ones towards the front and the back. Here we go. I'm gonna try to show you, kind of just put them wherever it feels good to you. And I'm just putting them right inside the scarf right there. Keep in mind where your front is going to be. I'm so sorry I'm not showing you like close-up of how I'm putting these in, but I mean, it's really not that hard. Just putting all your little Christmas trees wherever you feel like it. It's a forest. We're making a forest. So far, this is what it looks like. It has snow, and there's Christmas trees all around. This is going to be so pretty. And then in the front, I'm going to put this little dough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually cut off the portion that we're supposed to hang, and then I'm going to put the dough, because this is going to be my front. Oh, my Christmas tree's fallen. It has fallen. And I'm going to put my little dough right in front, right there. And as easy as that, we have a little Christmas scene. And I absolutely think it's adorable. It's under $40. Oh, look at this. How adorable is this? I think this is so super cute. I also have a 10% discount for you along with all the other info, and it's going to be in the description box below, so check that out. And to finish this up, I'm going to add some LED lights, and these are actually, you know, the bottle stop one. It's quite short, but the nice thing about it is you can hide it really easily. I'm going to put all the lights towards the front. I'm going to turn off the light. And there, look at this. So adorable. And then I just hid the little thing right here behind my snow. And that's it. A little snow scene. It took me 3 minutes. You guys saw I did it right in front of you. I think this is an amazing gift idea. They have different shapes and sizes. So take a look at their website, because I think this is a phenomenal gift that people can use throughout the whole year. Whether they want to decorate it, maybe somebody who loves plants, they could definitely plant beautiful, maybe succulents in there or something like that. These are really, really pretty for that. So at the end of the day, I'm going to give this 5 out of 5 coffee cups because I think this is absolutely adorable. Great gift, great price. All of this, I think it's called soldering when you, you know, put the two metals together. Because if you take a look, all these little lines right here, they are soldered on. I'm hoping I'm saying the right word there. And it's, you know, it's done by hand. I think it's absolutely beautiful. And then you have that little window. You know, they thought of everything, I feel like. So for something like this, I would definitely pay $40, and I think it's worth it. Let me know what you think, or if you have purchased one, because this is just beautiful. It's modern. It matches everything. You can change it off with a season. So I really, really like this. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video.